started with composites 16 years ago because it was used as backing material behind mineral matter, behind natural stone. The principle of our product is to put natural stone products as big as they come from quarries and manufacturing plants onto honeycomb panels as structural support, helping by that to reduce the thickness of the stone and the weight. So the idea would be using this technological backing for aesthetic reasons. People would think that we're using composite stone, whereas we're using natural stone on composite backing. In our case, resistance, mechanical resistance mainly to compression and to bending. It offers lightweightness as opposite to weight. It offers also with that the possibility to make very large panels. So when people ask us why we do what we do is again, it's engineered mineral aesthetics. If it's not mineral, you don't really need composites. And if it's not beautiful, if it's not worthwhile, one will not pay the extra price for putting this material, traditional material, onto composites. So the only way to justify that is because it's nicer, more beautiful, mainly also because of the size. Now go for it. It needs some degree of bending the way you think, because there is one way, but this is naturally human. The human thinking is rather linear, and composites are not linear. It means what you'd expect at a small scale does not work at large scale. You have new problems when the issue is large scale. And hence you need to rethink the way you design, because the properties you can have from composites you don't get from other material. It doesn't work like steel, it doesn't work like wood. It is peculiar because it needs some degree of preparation. So rapidly you're in the domain of expertise. But of course it's worthwhile. I think there's also no way, by the degree of development of our industry, to back off from composites. Composites offers the best answer for an efficient solution. In the construction business, there is a great future for composites. With our experience, by which we try to vulgarize the use of composites, by which we drop down the performance to drop down the price. We don't need that much performance when it comes to construction industry. With this kind of effort, there is a way to offer more composites in the construction business. And there you've got numbers in square meters, much more than in the price per millimeter of thickness. So a different way of looking at composites. To educate further designers, both engineers, I mean traditional engineers, not specialized engineers, and architects and designers, how composites can aid in changing the design world, because it offers new frontiers.